Now on the next example, we have this T-shaped solid block, which we have to draw the orthographic projection of. We have the front end and plan. We have the starting lines to help us, and let's start. From the front, I see all the areas shaded in blue, the end all areas shaded in green, then the plan, which is the top view of our shape, and it's all the areas shaded in red. Now let's start with the front elevation. Let's refer to our 3D model, and this is how the front elevation is going to look like. We have our baseline already finished for us, and let's start by drawing those two vertical lines of the T. Let's start counting from that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From that point, that same point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and draw a line. Do the same on the other side. Now let's start drawing the top beam of our T. Let's start from that point over there. 1, 2, 2 squares to the left. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 2 squares to the right. Then 1 square up. Go to that point and go 1 square up. And join those 2 points to close our final shape. Now let's start working on our end elevation. Let's refer to our 3D model, and this is how basically the end elevation is going to look on our orthographic projection. Since we are working on the same shape, I'm going to take the height of our end elevation from the front. And let's project each horizontal line from the front elevation to the end elevation. As we can see, the baseline on the end side view of the T is finished. However, we still have to draw those 2 vertical lines that we see. Now we are not finished yet, as we still see that line over there which shows the horizontal beam of the T. Now on to the plan. Let's refer to our 3D model, and this is how the plan is going to look like. The plan's front line is finished for us. However, now we have to draw the width of our plan. And I'm not going to reference the isometric. Instead, I'm going to take the width of our plan from the end. This is because we are working with the same solid block. Therefore, Both the end and the plan are going to have the same width. And let's project those lines by using the 45-degree projection line. Now we are going to project the length of our plan and any other hidden detail from the front elevation. Now let's start drawing the hidden detail on the plan to show that underneath the horizontal beam there is that column over there of our T shape. Now let's go ahead and project those two lines onto our plan. Now, when we have hidden lines, the proper way to draw a hidden line is to draw a broken dotted-like line. As I'm showing you here, make sure that both lines that you draw are equal to each other. This is so both lines will look more neater that way. Now darken the outlines of the elevations. Then color each elevation in the assigned color as seen on the isometric view.